The nightcap backpacking tent NC01 boasts a unique design with fiberglass poles that are fully covered with a protective case, ensuring safe and easy assembly without risking hand injuries. This tent comfortably accommodates one person with ample space for gear, or can fit an adult and child together, making it versatile for solo or parent-child camping trips. Weighing just 2 kilograms and featuring a compact package size, this tent is ideal for camping, backpacking, and other outdoor adventures, appealing to both adults and younger explorers. Constructed from rainproof polyester fabric with sealed seams, it offers excellent protection against heavy rain, while mesh openings provide great ventilation without inviting insects inside. Setup is a breeze with 2 fiberglass poles that can be installed in just 1 to 2 minutes, allowing campers to quickly pitch their tent and enjoy the outdoors. Its lightweight and easy storage features make it a practical choice for anyone seeking a hassle-free camping experience, whether in the backyard or on a mountain trail.